Some viruses hide in Windows Task Scheduler and restart themselves every time you turn on your PC. Even if you delete the virus file, it comes back. But don't worry, I'll show you how to permanently remove it in just 1 minute. Press Win+R, type taskschd.msc, and press Enter. This will open the Task Scheduler, where Windows and some programs create tasks to run automatically. Click on Task Scheduler Library on the left. Now look for any weird names or tasks from unknown publishers, especially ones set to run at startup. If you see something suspicious and don't recognize it, that could be a hidden virus. Right-click the suspicious task and select Disable. Then right-click again and select Delete. This stops the virus from running automatically. Now open File Explorer and go to C, Windows System32, Tasks. Find the same task name you just deleted and remove it from here too. Restart your PC to make sure the task is gone. If it doesn't come back, the virus has been removed successfully, and that's it. This method removes hidden viruses without any antivirus software. If this helped, let me know in the comments.